Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked, what is a one-to-one function? So first we can start with the definition of a function. And that is, for every input of the independent variable, whatever that happens to be, there's one output of the dependent variable. For example, with a standard function in the xy plane, for every x value, there's only one y value. One-to-one adds another step on top of this. For every input, there's not only one output, but it is a unique output. Therefore, two, for example, x values cannot have the same corresponding y value. And this leads into B, how do you tell whether the graph of a function is one-to-one? Doing the horizontal line test in the same way that we do the vertical line test to test whether it's a function. The horizontal line test states that for any one-to-one function, every horizontal line only intersects the function once. Which makes sense. A horizontal line is of the form y equals k for some k. This means that for any of these outputs, it is unique. There's only one corresponding x value, and therefore there's only one intersection of this horizontal line.